Hello guys, today let's review Bitgo. Is it the best crypto exchange? So Bitgo is a digital asset platform specializing in institutional grade custody and wallet services. It offers multi-signature wallets, supports over 100 cryptocurrencies, and provides insurance coverage up to $250 million for custodial accounts. Security features include multi-party computation, two-factor authentication, and hardware security modules. These measures have earned BitGo a reputation for robust security. However, BitGo is not a traditional crypto exchange. It lacks features like spot trading, staking, and fiat on ramps. The platform is primarily designed for institutional clients such as hedge funds and exchanges, rather than individual retail traders. Some users have reported issues with customer support and account access, particularly in the context of handling FTX creditor distributions. In summary, BitGo excels in secure custody solutions for institutions but is not suited for everyday crypto trading. Retail users seeking a comprehensive exchange experience may need to look elsewhere.